Hi everyone, this is Kevamshi from ECD section and roll number 2091804M7. So today I want to discuss about the essential of speaking skills, which plays a key role in our life. So let us see what is speaking and speaking skill. Definition of term speaking and description some essential skill that every speaker must have. So actually, what is speaking? It is nothing but conveying information verbally, expressions of thought and feelings, ideas, emotions, etc., where information can be transferred to other clearly. And what are speaking skills? These are main to improve ourselves. So able to convey one message or information verbally in proper and suitable manner, express oneself clearly in front of others, express one's ideas, feelings, thoughts, and opinions in different matters. So here you can see the three parts or three elements plays role while we are speaking. Verbal plays 7% role, means vocabulary, like how many words you can use, and vocal, it is nothing but tone, pitch, pace, range, appeal, credibility of voice, like it plays 38% role. And visual appearance is main, it plays 55% role. It means physical appearance, gestures, eye contact. So these are three elements while we have to consider when we are speaking. So let us see the what is importance of speaking skills. Why we have to speak? So create understanding, express oneself to others, help a person grow socially in his personal and professional life. Mainly avoid conflicts. So while we are speaking, we have to keep these three elements in our mind. Why to speak, what to speak, how to speak. It gives complete meaning to our speech. So let us see them each. First, why? Why we have to speak? It it means the man who can think and does not know how to express what he think is at level of him who cannot think. So this is no why. And it also not just presentation but also persuasion. Get people's mind share. Here you can see the diagram where or how message is transferred to others. Now coming to what to speak, we know these are main thing among these three elements. What to speak means brainstorming. Individual brainstorming is a process of you getting your ideas out on paper. Speaking with the format. So we have to maintain a format while we are speaking a speech, like ABC. I means introduction, B means body, and C means conclusion. Aiming to the persuasion. Being confident and passionate is the key for the persuasion. Perfect clarity of thoughts. So, how to speak? You have to speak like a star. Star means S stand for situation and task, and A for attitude, or is lost as a result. So, when you follow STA elements in a star, you can get the good result. So here you can should maintain while you are speaking. These three means they refer to entertainingly, effectively, enthusiastically. This three help you to uh, gain the attention of an audience on your speech. So some let me see some important aspects of your voice, like tone, intonation, pronunciation, flow, and pitch. So but we have to improve our vocal quality, like so we have to maintain some things which can improve our vocal quality while helps in speaking. So drink hot beverage, get enough sleep, eat a healthy diet, and avoid yelling, like making loud sounds unnecessarily. So Here you can see some important speaking skills during public speaking. We can also have some important speaking skills during private speaking. Private private speaking. So here you can see research a topic, organize your rights logically, employ quotations, facts, and statistics, incorporate humor, start strong and end strong, analyze the audience, punctuate words with gestures, vary local pace, tone, and value, interact with audience by holding and answer question sessions, say feedback, convince or persuade listeners when listening, act and speak ethically. These are key points which you keep in mind while speaking in public. If you not maintain these points, you will lose attention of audience on your speech. So here you can see this some of the speaking skills while during private speaking: intermediate pace, clear voice, record of the situation, letting the other person finish first, and clear description of point. These are the points while we have to use in private speaking. So but you need practice. You can practice at home, school, educational institute, your workplace, public spaces like a restaurant, shopping malls, and public and private events, and mainly in social media like Insta, Twitter. You have to speak, or you must have good speaking skills. So finally, let us see salient features of speaking: commanding a friendly voice, perfect clarity of language, thoughts and ideas, listeners friendly, compromise, comprising of anecdotes, weight and humor, avoiding monotony, creating a bond between speaker and listeners. And finally, guidelines which can improve your speaking skills like speed, clarity, punctuation, pronunciation, familiarity, fluency, expression. So I think you have done with this and you have understand what is speaking skills, presentation, uh, important elements. So thank you. Have a nice day.